Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to convert a TLE element set into the 6 Keplerian elements. A TLE element usually looks like two long lines of formatted numbers, but what if you want to get the classic Keplerian orbital elements out of it? That's exactly what we'll do, and we'll do it in Scilab using the CelestLab functions. First, we define a variable that contains our TLE. Then, we call the CelestLab function that converts the TLE into orbital elements. This function stores the result in the variable mean_kep. It contains semi-major axis, eccentricity, inclination, argument of perigee, right ascension of the ascending node, mean anomaly. If you prefer the true anomaly instead of the mean anomaly, just convert the mean anomaly using the CelestLab conversion function. Finally, we arrange the Keplerian elements into a vector called mean_kep. It contains semi-major axis, eccentricity, inclination, argument of perigee, right ascension of the ascending node, and true anomaly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, a quick click on subscribe tells me to make more content like this.